1. Bust a move. Losing yourself in the beat can help you shake stress off. Plus, dancing gets the blood flowing for a re-energizing rush of oxygen. 2. Do a crossword puzzle number 10 across. Anxious, overwhelmed, or freaked out, 7 letters. If you guessed stressed, you're in good shape to kill it at a crossword. Brain games that require concentration can take your mind off whatever's eating you. Use your nose. 3. Smell the flowers. Really, stop and sniff them. Keep a fresh jar of your favorite variety near your workspace or in the living room and take a whiff whenever stress strikes. 4. Try aromatherapy. It takes just a minute to drip some lavender, frankincense, or another essential oil into a diffuser. Or, mix a few drops into your favorite carrier oil, such as jojoba, rub into your hands, and inhale. The soothing scents may help send stress and anxiety packing by stimulating receptors in the nose that connect to the part of the brain that regulates emotions. 5. Sniff citrus head for the crisper. The odor of sweet orange can help decrease symptoms of anxiety and improve mood, research shows. Trusted source. Take your time and peel a nice juicy one for a dose of calm. 6. Brew some beans. Wake up and smell the cortado or head to the break room to get your bean on. Just the odor of coffee can make you feel better, not to mention the caffeine. And the act of making it or standing in the lat line temporarily pulls you away from whatever's causing you stress. Don't have too much, of course, or you'll go from jazz to jitters. Seek out your support system. 7. Cuddle with a furry friend. Schedule some immediate hang time with your four-legged bestie. Pets can boost self-esteem and even ease the sting of social rejection. 8. Laugh. Cue up some YouTube videos. Nothing busts a bad mood quite as well as the giggles. Even science says laughter is the best medicine. But you can see for yourself. Get a load of these fitness-obsessed felines for a few chuckles. 9. Talk to a pal. Talking out your feelings with a ride-or-die friend can put your mind at ease and let you know someone genuinely cares. If you're pressed for time, even a quick back and forth text session can be a lifeline. 10. Start planning some time off. Crashing waves, warm sand, a gentle breeze ruffling your hair. Well, at least the image is nice. Take a break from work and browse for vacation spots. Part of the fun is planning the trip, anyway. Plus, knowing you'll get an escape soon can help you power through a tough time. You've got this. If that beach vacay or even a staycay isn't on the hook right now or soon, you can still find stress relief in just 5 minutes whenever you need it. But living in a perpetual state of stress isn't sustainable. So be sure to schedule longer respites too when you can. Snag 30 minutes at the gym or a grab brunch with your BFFs, whatever gets you to the right level of chill. Hey, press that like and subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and keep watching Everyday Infotainment. Please like, share and subscribe to Everyday Infotainment. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment.